Wartide. War. And it's tiding. Wartide. It's war. And it's tide. So here's my loadout for the halberd. See that I've only used very little. Level 11. Alright? And I just got level 11 today. I was level 10 before this. I'm already about to get level 12. Excuse me. So this is my third time using it. The second one was literally, last match was literally just minutes ago. So I just literally joined right back into the same match again. So we're already pushing back the entire enemy team. So I'm gonna assume I have the no skill halberd on their side. I think I see it. Nope, it's a Z. It's a Z. And a halberd. How dare you? So they got the halberd there. It's just 3 halberds, literally. We have a Zini, we have a halberd. There's 3. I'm gonna flank. About 125 HP. The spearman helmet little thing is moving. So that's why I have 125. It looks like a head. We have a Zini. It's not much saying that. Because this little skill attack is literally just the elite's spear. It does 50 damage. And it's even better than elite. Because this thing can get a free headshot. I mean, what is this animation, bro? You intentionally gave it a free headshot with this upper swing thing. You just have to back up, and then you just do that. Because it takes the guy back, and you just get a free headshot. This still gives you a free headshot too, doing this. Staying still normally. And then you use the swipe for crowd control, which honestly sucks. It's useless. Or it's better than Baradachi because it literally has a better swing speed. You don't have to actually take skill to time everything or anything. And I can't tell if they have the same rate or not. Baradachi definitely has a better head, but it still has terrible swing speed compared to this. This stupid little divot right here is so annoying. Thank you, sword little spammer. He's dead. Look, I can just spam him. And he's dead. Third time using this weapon, by the way. I don't think I should be this good at it. So basically, if we're gonna keep the halberd this little same skill attack speed, it should be as much as a sword speed, even less. Because you shouldn't get a weapon that's an all-rounder that does better at a job than the short speed. This is really a spear. It's a better round speed. You get a heavy too, that sucks. But because it only hits one at a time. So I feel like it should kind of, for the animation, switch to the picks end, just to kind of show that. I think the way to balance this out is to maybe either make this skill attack the heavy, right, and remove like the speed, make them the same cooldown as this, and make this, that way it's kind of obvious that this is like a heavy, because look how he grabs it. You're telling me a guy can grab it like right at the exact end? Look how big this thing is. No one can do that. That thing would break your wrist if you grabbed it like that. You'd look stupid. Like, I can just do this. I don't even need to use the heavy. He's already going back because the shield's probably low posture. He was getting attacked by this long sword sword. I hate long swords. What is this stupid little drink? He's just going up with air on the head. I mean, useless. Yeah, look, we just have another halberd. We can just sit here and spam it. Spam them. don't even need to earn the kill. Oh, smart. I see what the green did. This is the green from earlier going up the hill. Very smart green, very smart, but now you're going to the house. Let's split it. I think we'll split it. I like to have that. So yeah, we have the Zuni here, just being a nuisance. Yeah, the Hamada is balanced. The Hamada is balanced. The balanced. Yes. The dirt. Tastes so good. I love Z. And we got these three idiots. I'm telling you, that powder guy right there on the episode side sucks. But so does my friend right here. Using the halberd. No offense, but you suck, my friend. Using halberd. No, I'm using it. It's just a test. Especially broken over pattern. Really just, it's a skill effect, so like they keep embraced and I can just keep spamming it. Might as well give a perk that gives me increased damage the more I use this skill. Look, I just look at that reach. It's better than the short speed. That's like the short speed giant. I think the giant, when you use the halberd, you get increased like speed, like the animation speed up, so you can sit here and spam the hell out of it. But I don't think it actually works. It's like the hitbox. Or it's not like visually seen how it works. I don't know how it works. Yeah, the visualizer actually works with it, which I think is kind of cool. I always struggle and kind of heal. I just can't heal because I have to sit here and be in the front lines all the time. See how easy that was? I literally didn't need to do anything. I just literally camped them. Yeah, so, yeah, I got paid barely anything. I don't know why, but it's probably because of these three. Maybe not the guy in the white, but they're just hogging all the space. But, yeah, halberd doesn't take skill. It does not take skill. See how much XP I got from that? I got a little good chunk off of that. It does not take skill. I'm just saying it. It does not take skill to use halberd. It did not take skill. I could probably beat them up with full heavy armor with this thing. It's just that good. I don't think that makes much sense. I feel like you should be able to, you kind of have to be forced to use lighter weapons, especially with a weapon like this, which only takes away 10. At the most, this thing's going to take away 15 stamina. And if you really want the most stamina taken away, it's the spear. But you can literally walk in a straight line and just keep spamming the hell out of it, and you'll get stamina. You aren't losing any stamina. So look. See, I can keep doing it. You shouldn't be allowed to do that. Look how I'm not losing any stamina. And then I can do this doing this. Same thing. Maybe a little... Here I'm actually losing it. Because this has better swing speed, I guess. But I wasn't doing that earlier with the giant, when I was giant spamming it. Yeah, just chill. And just sit here and notice how fast I go with this thing. How do you think this is? I think I'm even hitting multiple people with this. I am. This isn't fair. I'm literally hitting multiple people with it. But yeah, this doesn't take skill. I literally think I was just hitting multiple people with this spear, which I don't think happens with short spear. And even if it did, short spear only does 40 damage. And at the most, its headshot's gonna do 60 damage. It's actually a round. Yep, that was really hard for me. That was really hard. No, I did have my teeth to hit me there, but that was really tough for me. Never takes it. This thing takes so much skill. Let me finish him off like firing that I don't really feel bad for it. Nuisance. Using halberd. It has all the lapdogs. As I have all the lapdog greens defending me. But I can just spam it. I don't even really need a lapdog. I think I could literally solo these people if they're all separated. I could literally solo them with this stupid attack. I don't think it's really fair. Okay, 35 or 45. If you want more damage on your little spear lunge, then you can go use a new perk that gives you more damage on your skill attack. It's completely fair to do that. Because now you have to, if you want to get more damage on your little spear lunge, and you want to focus on that playstyle, you have to sacrifice your perk for some stupid attack. Alright, you only get 2 perks. And honestly, I don't think the 3 perk idea is a good idea. Perks would be the most annoying thing ever. You would have people with Unrelenting Assault, Destroyer, like, they'd figure out anything to do. It'd be annoying. And it's most of the time, it would take too long to balance. Even if the game is, like, gonna keep staying alive right, it would take too long. You just can't keep doing it. And I get 100 damage headshots. Gives me 100 damage if I land a headshot. It's more than Baradachi. Baradachi actually is harder to hit with the headshot. And that can give me like 160 damage with the headshot. Which honestly is pretty annoying, but I think it's kind of fair. The way to get a headshot with Baradachi is if you come behind and with the blade from the back. Saved you, Green. See how easy that is? Look, I'm gonna win this. And this guy has full heavy armor. I'm gonna win this fight. Never mind. He got his cheeky little headshot first or something. I don't know. I guess it's my HG, it's my teammates being useless too. But however, this doesn't take skill. Alright, I said it there. Even this, look, I'm just gonna spam this. I'm just gonna sit here and spam this. Alright, so where are the hordes? This thing's... I'm just gonna sit here and spam. I need to use this spear thing. I just literally one-tapped it. He was low. Literally just free. Okay, a little weird there. With the amount of halberds, I really think these halberds are killing off the game too. Just like zooming. It's so annoying. Okay, screw off, light armor. You're not good at the game. Screw off. Screw off, kid. You're not good at the game. Oh my god, I just got literally attacked by 3 people. I didn't really play that smart, but still, it's so annoying. Okay, we actually somehow captured. We actually got the prisoners, so this is good. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm actually hitting multiple people with this. How is this fair? How is this spear move actually fair? It's better than the elite. No doubt about it. It's better than the elite. God. Screw off! Screw Howard. I'll wreck you with this thing. You're so lucky you got teammates, dude. Halberd. Defend yourself, you stupid. How many times have you been hit in the head by this halberd user? Defend yourself. Full team of greens, bro. 3 greens. I'll carry you all to the 3. Maybe my friend too. Why you would use rapier and horde like this? It's kinda good with hordes, but it's just because it does 40 damage, which is unbalanced. Should be like 20 or 30. I'm saying it's like 20. Honestly. That way it actually takes skill really used by people. This is actually the opposite. I see it get used by every little annoying squirt that wants to be annoying. And focus like the important people. Like the light armor kid that focuses him. He would be better off using rapier. Because he's freaking annoying as hell. It would be even more annoying. If I can go in and do 77 damage. I just killed all 3 of those people with my single spear lunge. That's actually so fair. Yeah, that's completely fair. I earned that. Yeah, I should just literally sit here and spam it. There's no reason though I should even be using the normal attackment for crowds. I just need to spam. Die, you annoying. See, this isn't good. How does every idiot do that? You're not gonna land it. You suck at grabbing. Alright? I'm sorry to cut the greens, but you're not gonna land it. Alright? You're not gonna land it. Wait until they're close up, especially if you're scared. It's very annoying. But that's the only way you're gonna do it. Why does every single brownie do this? With their short sword. Where's your shield, buddy? Did it get broken? Why do you just toss yourself in? Oh god, annoying halberd. Get back. I can actually keep coming at these. What type of... I am a Crusader Samurai. I am a Crusader Samurai. Yes, it makes sense, it makes sense. I remember seeing a Crusader Samurai. That's the actual thing. Screw off, you're not him. Oh my god, come on greenies. Where are y'all? They're not that scary though. They're as little as still as... Come on greenies, they're the most OP default sword. Long sword. Spam it. Spam it. Spam it like you don't, like, come on, just spam it. This stupid, annoying shield. This is why shields are annoying to people. It's because of a single one sitting here actually getting value. Defending off his masters. Alright? That took me a while. 300 damage. I don't even need to use the move that takes crowd control. I can just sit there and spam it. This is not a fair weapon. It's just a better... This thing should do 20 damage. If it can hit multiple people, it can do 20 damage. That's the best range, the best way to do it. I can sleep while walking and use no stand. Screw off, Crusader Samurai. You're trying to kill me. Leave that greenie alone! Defend yourself, Brownie! Defend yourself! Defend yourself, you idiots! Why aren't you defending yourself? You actually saved me. Oh! Yeah, I keep turning to use the heavy swing. Halberd, I look like an idiot. I'm gonna kill that Pacific Wing. Which I think is completely fair now, especially if it gets this stupid spear attack. Oh my god, there's so many. So many idiots our team's selling. Yep, that's completely fair. Never fight uphill. Never fight uphill, you idiot. I literally just get free headshots. They're low. See how I just flicked my camera? Look, let me do that again. I just put a free hit. I literally just carried the crowd control right there. See this little halberd. My enemy. That's so duels. I was literally beating that halberd player's butt with the club. He's just so lucky he's a little weasel that they have lapdog teammates. Come to his rescue. And that he's annoying as hell. He just runs around. I hear kids that go like right up to you and start like trying to swing at you. It's so annoying. Cause some weapons they when like they're so afraid to keep in my range. That's why I stay at the back. That way I don't get attacked by a short sword like this guy. This little green lizard. Spams the hell out of short sword. Gets up close to you with his two other lapdog teammates. Or this little nuisance of a light armor player that tries and kill these scavengers. He's just trying to get kills off his teammates. He doesn't know if you just hide in his weapon, you can easy scavenger kill, like I am doing. I wonder why halberd players can like carry the hell. Because halberd's also range heavy, just like the Zine. If not, because this thing I get all the range in the world. I get better range than like a Zine. Are you kidding me? Yeah, what is that gonna do? You just wasted your stamina. You don't know how the hell to even use this thing. Okay, what are you gonna do, longsword? Alright, you're just gonna die. Okay, the protocols for this. I know how to pronounce that. I feel like they should buff the warden. Make his thing actually hit multiple people. Like give him nasty damage. Oh, I'm saying nasty. That way he can actually kill. Because this part's literally rigged unless this doesn't actually such buff. This part is always rigged. Thank you for the hit protected player. Oh, okay, you do nasty damage. Okay, Warden, I'm sorry, you do nasty damage. I got it. Look, he's just getting swarmed. He has to run for it. Yep, I earned that kill. Yeah, you better run. Yeah, you better run. Yeah, we're gonna get you. What type of shield player are you? How the hell are you withstanding the greenies attacking me? I guess I have to carry the shield damage there. Jesus. I don't know how shields can just withstand 20 greenies swinging their default shields at you. The warden has been defeated by the greenie horde. By choice, everyone. Harder able. These names literally sound like somehow PC. PC players are actually stupid. Change my mind. I actually take skill with the halberd. Here, let me show you. Let me show you by spamming your skill attack. I take skill. Okay, let me get my free team kill. Never mind, I just got killed. I just spat over my phone. The Guini put an end to me. I think the king died anyways. Right? Why is there a Guini? Did we not kill the king? Remember the pointy bit towards the enemy. Thank you, Elder Sullivan. I remember you. Alright, let's see who's up top. It's me. No surprise there. Because this thing does not take skill. Literally, I'm only dying because of greenies swarming me. No surprise. Third time using this thing, I just get a free easy first place. Alright, 23 minutes of recording. Is that proof to show that this thing needs nerf? I think so. So, goodbye. I think that was a good video. Thank you, Wartiders.